guys, John here for Obese to Beast, and it is my day off of both jobs today, which does not happen very often, so I'm very excited about that. So I figured, since I'm off both jobs, I will make a video for you guys. It's going to be a short one. As you can see by the title, you know what I'm going to be talking about. I want to touch on the subject of extreme weight loss. So for people that have to lose, like I had to lose over 80 pounds, you know what I mean? 80 pounds, 100 pounds, 160 pounds, 200 pounds. The thing that sucks about having to lose that much weight is you have to lose that much weight. But the good thing is, when you first start, little changes that you make will be big changes in your body. And so I wanted to bring up three topics that I think three changes that you can make that I think will help you in the beginning. Just three simple things you can change that will help you lose weight and that will just keep you going. You know what I mean? That helped me. This is basically stuff that helped me in the beginning that I believe that if I let you guys know, hopefully it will help you guys out. That's why I'm making this video, is to hopefully help someone out. So the first topic I wanted to talk about is drinking your calories. So I know when I was heavier, I used to drink soda all day long, and I would drink probably about 1,500 to 2,000 calories worth of soda every day. You know what I mean? I was drinking a 2 liter probably every day. 2 liter or more every day. So if you're drinking your calories, really look at what you're drinking. Obviously, if you're drinking soda, everyone knows soda is terrible for you. So stop drinking soda. But if you're drinking juices and stuff like that, look at the calories on them. Look at how many calories are in them. Look at how many servings are in each bottle. You know what I mean? This Gatorade right here, this has 80 calories, but there's 2.5 servings in this. So it's not 80 calories if you drink the whole thing. It's, what, 160, it's like 250, 250 calories, 230 calories, something like that. So, you know what I mean? You have to focus on how many calories and how many servings are in each drink that you're drinking. So the easiest way for me to do it was I just kind of stopped drinking anything that had any calories in it. You know what I mean? I was just drinking like water or 0-calorie waters. I like these right here. These are like the Refresh. They have they're sparkling. So like if you do like soda a lot like me, they help you out. I try not to drink them all the time because, I mean, obviously you don't want to have that, be addicted to something else. You know what I mean? Take something and then become addicted to something else. So I drink these. There's zero everything. You know what I mean? I'm sure there's a lot of things that shouldn't be in there, that you shouldn't be drinking, but you got to take the good with the bad. So that's something I very much recommend. Don't drink your calories anymore. And then moving on, tip number 2, this is going to be one that might be just obvious to a lot of people, but I mean, some people might need to hear this. Stop eating out at fast food places, at least. You know what I mean? Stop just cramming your face full of stuff that you know is unhealthy for you. Stop going to McDonald's. Stop going to Burger King. Yeah, there's times for those places, but don't make that a place that you eat every single day. You know what I mean? Don't let that become part of your diet. Every single day is going to Burger King or McDonald's. You know what I mean? Prep your meals. Buy your food. Cook your own food. Don't let other people cook your food for you. You know what I mean? Cook your own food for yourself. Don't go to McDonald's, you know what I mean? Because at that place, there's so many terrible things, but if you just want to think about calories, there's a lot of calories in all those foods that they have there. So you have to be careful. And if you do go there, there are healthier choices. So you don't have to get the Big Mac, you know what I mean? They have the wraps, they have the salads, they have, and then with the salads too, you have to be careful with salads. If you just throw all the dressing that they give you on the salad, that salad is basically just as bad as a Big Mac for you. So you have to be careful, you know what I mean? You have to read what it says that's on the dressing, what's in the dressing, how much fat is in the dressing. You have to be, just be knowledgeable. Think about, just read things, you know what I mean? This is another tip, you know what I mean? That's kind of in the same vein as the first one, as don't drink your calories. It's kind of just become informed about calories. Look at what's inside of things, you know what I mean? Read this stuff. This stuff is meant to be there to help you out. It's not meant to be there because, I mean, it's obviously there because they have to put it there, but it's there to help you out. And if you learn how to read this stuff and kind of understand how it's going to affect your body, that's really going to help with your weight loss. Tip number 3 that I want to make, this isn't going to be something that's kind of like physical that you can do. This is more of a mental game, is when you start losing weight, understand that this is not going to happen right away. You know what I mean? This is going to take time, and you have to understand that. If you're looking at someone that's already lost weight or is where you want to be, and you're kind of comparing yourself to them, stop doing that, because that's just gonna make you sad, make you mad, make you frustrated with where you are. If you've already made progress, if you've already made the decision to change, you're already further along than you were yesterday. You understand what I'm saying? So if you've already made that decision, don't let the fact that you're not where you want to be stop you from becoming that person. Does that make any sense? Like, if you're letting the future you that you want to achieve mess up the present you that you are, there's no point. You know what I mean? Like, just focus on yourself today. Every battle that you win, every meal that you eat that's healthy, every workout that you get is all going to get you to the point that you want to achieve. So I hope this video helped. I know it was kind of random, but I just wanted to put something out for you guys, and I wanted to make a video that wasn't 15 minutes long for you guys to watch. So tell me what you guys think about this video. I know it's kind of a short one. I hope it helped anyone out. I just want to be able to put out more videos frequently, and doing vlogs throughout the whole day, it's kind of hard to do a vlog every single day. You know what I mean? So videos like this that only take me about 10 minutes to film are a lot easier to get out to you guys. So I hope this video helped anyone. If it helps one person, that's awesome. Seriously, that makes me so happy. So if you guys like the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section down below. Seriously, I would love to answer any of your questions down there. And if you guys are not subscribed to me already, please do that. I really appreciate it. Seriously, and you'll get an update on every single video that I put out. There was one other thing I needed to say. Oh yeah, look up over him.